How to change time on iPhone and date. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to change time on iPhone and date. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So in here I will teach you the step by step, so just listen to me carefully. So from in there, just head over to your settings of your iPhone. And once you're in here, just scroll down until you can see this option for general. So click on general right here. And then from in there, you can just scroll on again until you can see the option for date and time. So just click on this date and time right here. And then from in there, you can see this 24-hour time. You can set your iPhone to have a 24-hour time. So if I click on it, as you can see, the 4:14 earlier has become 16:14. So you can also, if you disable this, then you can see this option right here. So in order to change the time, just click on the time right here and you can change the date. Then after that, you can click on this time right here and you can change the time specifically to what you want it to be. Then after that, just save all of your progress and that should be it. That's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to change time on iPhone and date. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, do not forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!